of 2023. An aunt brought the juvenile into the Beckley Detachment Troop 6 to make a report based on some items that were found on the juvenile's cellular device that was discovered by the aunt. One of the items on that cellular device discovered by the aunt was a video that the defendant had produced of the 11-year-old juvenile stepdaughter performing oral sex on him, which would constitute a first-degree sexual assault due to the age and a sexual abuse by a parent, guardian, and custodian due to his person and position of trust to that juvenile, as well as use of that minor in filming the sexually explicit conduct. It would be important to note that the West Virginia State Police on the next day, being Saturday, July the 22nd of 2023, was able to ascertain Mr. Pettry's location and bring him into Troop 6 for questioning. He was Mirandized, and upon giving a statement to the West Virginia State Police trooper that was conducting the investigation, Mr. Pettry disclosed that the juvenile did perform oral sex on him and that he coached her on what to do. These incidents happened wholly within the confines of Raleigh County, West Virginia, given the court jurisdictional basis to accept this plea.
Thank you, sir. The charge of sexual assault in the first degree is charged in count 1 of the indictment.
Guilty.
William Pettry, how do you plead to the charge of sexual abuse by a parent, guardian, custodian, or person of trust as charged in count 8 of the indictment?
Guilty.
William Pettry, how do you plead to the charge of use of a minor in the production of child pornography as set forth in count 18 of the indictment?
Guilty.
You may be seated, sir.
I'm right there with you.
All right. I can't help but to think about the micro in this case, the specific trauma inflicted, because just in March of the same year, this young victim's mom passed away and her sister passed away in a tragic car wreck. So she goes from losing her mom, losing her sister, to then being victimized almost immediately after. That's specifically horrific. So regardless of who the defendant is, regardless of what he had done good or who he was in the community up until this point, that buys no goodwill from me. This is an ultimate betrayal of a man's position in a young lady's life.